Welcome to the fifth video in our six-part series on the ABCs of student support. In this series, we've explored how this Tier 2 reading program is structured to help students improve their reading skills quickly. In this fifth video, we will focus on how the assessment portion of the program works. The ABCs of Student Support program gives teachers two important tools to track student progress: a literacy assessment guide and a cognitive behavioral instruction assessment guide. These guides are flexible, meaning teachers and schools can pick the tools from within the guide that work best for their students and settings. This program includes more tools than teachers may need, but this allows them to choose what fits best. Every educational setting is different, and it's important to have flexible options. First, let's walk through the Cognitive Behavioral Assessment Guide. As we explained in Video 3, the self-regulation cycle is a key part of this program. This cycle helps students develop skills like managing their behavior, thoughts, and emotions. The CBI assessment rubric aligns with the self-regulation cycle, making it easy for teachers to identify what students are doing well and where they might need more support. Teachers can use the rubric using different data collection methods. Students often behave differently depending on where they are. Because of this, the program includes a form for teachers to collect data from different settings and people. Teachers can use observations, work samples, data from other teachers, or even self-reports where students talk about their own progress to collect data. The assessment guide also contains anecdotal record forms and checklists to make it easier for teachers to collect and organize the data because they provide important context. Again, some settings may also opt to use their own tools. Teachers have many options with how they collect data to meet the needs of their own unique circumstances and do not need to use all of the tools provided. Now let's look at the Literacy Assessment Guide. This guide also features a variety of ways to track student progress. The intervention uses ReadWorks passages and question sets to progress monitor, starting with a pre-assessment. ReadWorks is a nonprofit organization that offers high-quality reading passages and question sets, all based on the science of reading. The ABCs of Student Support program provides links to ReadWorks materials that teachers can assign and use to track students' progress every week. Teachers can create a free account on ReadWorks and assign passages directly from their website. These materials also work with Google Classroom, which makes it easy for teachers already using that LMS. For classrooms that need a low-tech solution, all passages and questions can also be printed. Each passage from ReadWorks comes with questions that are aligned to the standards taught in this intervention. The ABCs of Support program provides a chart that helps teachers track student performance on these standards. The chart includes stars to highlight when specific standards have been covered, so teachers can focus on the data related to those targeted questions. For word study assessments, the program includes quick checks that can be used on day 3 of each week. These quick checks are short assessments that help teachers see how well students are understanding and applying learning from word study days. Teachers can also use other tools that their school already has in place to track student progress for literacy. Keep in mind that the daily worksheets in the program also work as formative assessments, meaning they help check how well students are picking up on the material on a daily basis. Students independently practice in every lesson, and teachers can track student learning using these worksheets as well. The Literacy Assessment Guide also includes a prescriptive action menu if students are not making adequate progress. For example, if a student was not doing well with main idea, the action menu provides additional options to intensify the instruction or present the material differently. The Literacy Assessment Guide also provides additional graphic organizers that are organized by topic. This helps teachers individualize and customize the intervention to meet student needs. Both the Literacy and CBI assessment guides are designed to help teachers make data-driven decisions. These flexible tools help teachers gather the right kind of data and support student learning. You can find both guides on the ABC's website. Thank you for watching the fifth video in our six-part series on the ABCs of Student Support. In the final video, we'll talk about how to implement this program. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to reach out to our project team. We hope this series has been helpful in answering your questions.